orange one.
And then?
Fourth is the...
Oh, so many naman.
Fourth is the...
Star?
Star cereal.
And then the last one is the?
The fifth is the...
Original.
Original.
Okay, that's what the Jillian's
Let's go.
gonna... Yeah, you're gonna buy some dough. So how many cereals that we're gonna buy, Jillian? You're planning to buy how many cereals?
Paano may pera ba?
Hala. Oh no, do you have a money? Ha?
Do you have money?
Cereal.
So, ano ang planning to buy, kuya? Ayan po si Dave. Naka-seatbelt siya. Naka-seatbelt, kuya. Okay, ano ang planning natin na bibilin, kuya, sa bayan?
Ang unang plano ko sana di ba kanina tayo pala sa salad.
Oo.
Eh, ang plano ko
Donut.
dahil kanina nasa salad tayo, ano naman tayo, dessert.
Dessert.
Diba,
Not
kanina,
the sweet one.
kaya
Let me make
papapapala.
donut. I want donut. Not the sweet one. Not the sweet one.
Okay.
I want the white. I want the
No, we're gonna make our own donut.
Yeah.
make that. I was
Tomorrow na yun, the donut. Tomorrow.
Donut. What do you want to do, Jace?
The pizza first. Mango with strawberry shake.
Mango with strawberry shake? And what else?
And
Tama tayo, ano? What?
lemon
Cucumber po.
with cucumber.
Ay, pizza. Yun yung partner natin.
Pizza. And bacon. And
Bacon? Oh, we need the bacon, nanay.
the seaweed with the rice and the...
Ay, yeah. Seaweed with the rice and spam?
Tomorrow na yun.
Ay, that's for tomorrow.
Parang marami tayong maano.
Yes. So, for today, ano ang bibili natin, kuya?
Mga
Tita, I want the pizza.
bibili tayo na vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream?
Yeah.
Ano siya? Plain na vanilla lang siya.
Kasi ipapartner natin siya sa mangga.
Okay.
Kumbaga siya nasa top ng mangga.
So, eto kuya. Nag-rice ka ba today? Kasi no rice challenge tayo for today, di ba?
Po.
Naka-survive ka ba sa no rice challenge?
Today, Tita Jo.
Ay, full Holy Week pala. So, ano?
Hindi ako po yung gumagawa. So ako po dapat Pasko sumali.
So, hindi ka kasali?
Hindi po ako po yung gumagawa eh.
Okay. So, I think Jace is hungry also.
Ano na nga eh.
Hungry. Wow. Are you excited? For the next dish? For the kuya's next dish? Hindi, mamaya nga po magagawa.
Bukas yung request ni Ram siya na seaweed.
Seaweeds with spam.
Tita.
Okay.
Tita.
Saan mo makakabili ng wala?
Baka sa ano yun? Yeah, bacon.
Nabili si Tita Blanca sa Manila pa yan.
Tell something to the katakrap.
Kapag mo naman kasi yan.
Ay, may baby ba siguro? Siguro.
Hello po.
Close open na. Close open. Pakita ang talent.
Close open. Close open. Ayaw mag-open. Just close.
Okay. Ayan.
Ayaw.
Okay.
Am I gonna teach Raven the close open?
Okay, how can you do the close open, Julian? Open, close, open, close. That's awesome. How about the beautiful eyes? Like this. How the beautiful eyes, Raven? Do it, Raven. Oh, look at the beautiful eyes. 2 more.
Alam mo, papatay mo.
What did you do today?
I want big eyes.
What did you do?
Big eyes.
So when you went to school last Friday, what you did? How about Julian?
Play.
And
Wala kasi lang bigyan ng assignment.
And eat.
eat.
Ibabagayan po ng
What?
pointers ka.
Ay, oo pala. Long
And
quiz.
then,
Long quiz sila guys after Holy Week.
May baka may naghahanap dating kasama si Luis.
Ay, yes. Sama nga naghahanap po katekram kay Kuya Luis. Siya po ay natutulog.
I'm hungry.
Hindi na po namin ginising dahil pagtulog po yun. Naku, parang
I'm
mantika.
hungry.
Yeah. Ayan guys.
Hanggang ka na yung pandesal dito.
Kami po ay papunta na sa ano. Hindi pala kasi naro-rotate din, ano? Ang iPhone. Wala na nga pause, hindi pa naro-rotate. Ayan.
Yung kami mo nalulong TikTok.
Naro-rotate. Kayo na mag-adjust, no? Ayan, guys. Ayan.
Son. The.
Ooh.
Daughter.
Daughter. Kuya Dandan, ah.
Daughter?
Daughter. Bakit? Islang.
No.